Welcome back to Spy Drill, a place where you'll get the best spy apps and gadgets recommendations. Today in this video, we will try to explain to you how the KidsGuard Pro app works for monitoring Instagram activities. But before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates about the new videos. Be it a child, teen, or an adult, almost everyone has their own Instagram account. And with millions and millions of Instagram users worldwide, it becomes necessary to track the Instagram activities of your loved ones to secure them from unwanted people. So, let's see how effective is KidsGuard Pro Instagram tracking feature. KidsGuard Pro is not able to monitor Instagram activities on an iPhone. And the sole reason for that is that Instagram activities are not uploaded on iCloud, and spy apps are not able to monitor anything that goes beyond the reach of iCloud. That said, if an iOS device is jailbroken, it's easy to track the activities going on in Instagram. But unfortunately, KidsGuard Pro does not have a separate plan for jailbroken iOS devices. As for Android phones, you can easily spy on Instagram activities without even having to root the target phone. Once you install the KidsGuard Pro app on the target phone, you are ready to track the Instagram activities of your lover or your teen. Everything related to Instagram will appear in the Instagram section of the app, and once the target person opens the Instagram app on their phone, KidsGuard Pro starts working in the background, and soon you will start to receive screenshots related to the activities going on Instagram regardless of what the user is doing. You will receive the screenshots while your spouse is checking messages, scrolling through the feed, commenting on a post, or doing anything else. There is not any count to the number of screenshots that you receive, and you will constantly get them while the user is using the Instagram app. The received screenshots will be small in size, and it's hard to read or see the main content. But by clicking on the screenshot, it will open in full size, and everything in the screenshot is clearly visible. Downloading the screenshot is also possible. If KidsGuard Pro misses on taking a screenshot while the user was chatting with someone, it doesn't mean that you missed reading that message. The tracking of messages is also done with text, so basically you don't have to compromise on any of the messages. With each text and screenshot, a date and time stamp is also available so that you are aware of the time when a particular activity took place. If you are looking for messages from a particular contact, you can use the search option at the top. So this is how the KidsGuard Pro app works for Instagram. Quick updates, monitoring with screenshots and text, downloading option, and date and time stamp with each message. All these things make the tracking of Instagram easy. The only thing you might not like is the search option is case sensitive. That means Sam with a small s will not appear if you search for Sam with a capital S. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and share this video. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future.